Yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Miss. A new video, excitement. Oof. So today we're going to do another fusion. Now I don't really know how to pronounce this, sorry about that. But the suggestion is from one of our newer subscribers who wants to see ZENO fused with the Grand Priest, which is arguably the two most powerful beings in the series really. Now, if there's anything you guys at home want to see, leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll make sure to add it to my list. But quickly before we get into the video, make sure to drop a like on this and subscribe if you haven't already and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Let's get into it. I think that has to do it. This is definitely one of the more weird ones, especially with the eyes. I can't believe what I've just created. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. So thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you don't miss an upload. It's been my pleasure. I will see you in the next one. Take care and peace.
I'm back like I ain't never left. Take me to church here, let me confess. Last year I had a lot on my mind like Tony Stark, couldn't get it off my chest. But now I'm back to back like I'm Aubrey. Reborn, yeah, everything blessed. From the ashes brings a new story. Show, don't tell, I'ma ace this test. Last year 100k on the ad.